Hey y'all, God bless you. Happy pretty day. It's so great that here on the day of Our Lady's birthday, we are experiencing this spectacular cool weather. It also reminds us that hunting season's coming up. But before we go to hunting season, we have to prepare in our souls first for God who's hunting for us. So don't remember, shoot for the sun today by getting yourself to Holy Mass. And don't forget to pray for me, who am a sinner and needs your prayers. Take care, God bless, and remember always, shoot for the sun.